We've all been there. A jumbled mess of necklaces, bracelets, and earrings in a drawer. Not only is it frustrating, but can also damage your precious pieces. Hi, I'm Dustin Lemick, CEO at BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. In this video, I'm sharing 5 stylish and practical jewelry storage ideas to help you organize your collection and keep your jewelry looking its best. You're invested in beautiful jewelry, so why not treat it with the care it deserves? Proper jewelry storage isn't just about keeping your pieces organized, it's about protecting them from damage and loss. Throwing your jewelry into a drawer can lead to scratches and tangles and even broken clasps. A disorganized mess can make it easy to lose track of your favorite pieces. And let's face it, a haphazard pile of jewelry isn't exactly a stylish look. While jewelry boxes are acceptable or even preferred in some cases, there are many other more unique jewelry organizers and jewelry organizing solutions available here. Here are 5 ideas for storing your jewelry. Suppose a drawer is really your only available space for storing your jewelry. At least level it up using a jewelry tray or jewelry drawer organizer. A jewelry organizer often features small, divided spaces sized to fit necklaces, earrings, rings, and other jewelry. With just one piece in each space, you can easily see what you have and keep each piece separated and safe from scratches and dings. You can purchase jewelry organizers and trays in most big box stores, storage solution aisle. If you're always up for a fun DIY project, consider crafting an organizer suited to your needs. Start with a base, like a large tray or rotating Lazy Susan, and then add smaller trays or small bowls to the base. Look to your favorite discount home goods store to find stylish options that match the rest of your decor. And when finished, place the tray on your vanity, dresser, desk, walk-in closet, or wherever else you might deem safe and convenient. While this project might not allow you to create an individual space for each item in your collection, you can create enough spaces to keep like items together or keep extra special pieces, like fine jewelry, separate from the rest. If you have a little more space, you can transform a small cabinet into a jewelry cabinet. A glass front cabinet is a stylish and practical way to display your jewelry collection. The glass doors protect your pieces from dust and damage while adding a touch of elegance to your space. Find a glass front cabinet that matches your style and then add small bowls and trays to the shelves to hold your pieces. This allows you to keep your jewelry collection visible while also keeping it tucked away behind glass, where it won't be as susceptible to dust or to random spritz of beauty products or perfume as you get ready each day. Keep your necklaces tangle-free and easy to access with a hanging jewelry organizer. You can purchase a jewelry tree designed for hanging necklaces and storing earrings. Still, you can also fashion your own using a sconce, faux antlers, candelabra, sculpture, or any other decor piece that will store necklaces aloft and separately. It's a fun way to display necklaces and does not limit your creativity. For a more discreet storage solution, consider hiding your jewelry in unexpected places, repurposing vintage tins, decorative boxes, or even a medicine cabinet. You can also add hooks to the back of a door to hang necklaces and bracelets out of sight. You've got the perfect jewelry organizer, but are you storing your pieces the right way? Let's dive into some essential tips to keep your jewelry looking its best. Clean before you store. Give your jewelry a gentle cleaning before storing it to remove dirt, oil, and other debris. Store separately. Avoid tangling and scratching by storing necklaces, bracelets, and earrings separately. Use soft linings. Line your jewelry boxes or drawers with soft fabric to prevent scratches. Control the environment. Store your jewelry in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Avoid harsh chemicals. Keep your jewelry away from perfumes and hairsprays and other chemicals that can damage the metal and stones. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that your jewelry stays beautiful for years to come. Even with the most careful attention to jewelry storage, accidents, loss, theft, and damage can still occur. That's where BriteCo comes in with comprehensive jewelry insurance that can help you replace or repair your jewelry no matter what happens. Thanks for watching.